Thoughts?
Oh my God. Like, I feel so empowered, first of all. Okay. I feel like I went from a wig wearer and wig owner to a wig maker and wig store owner, and in one class. And I thank you.
Aww.
I'm so excited, and I'm ready to, if it's like this and I completed one in a day, then I'm looking forward to day 5 and 10, class 2 refresher. And I know that if I can do this in a day, then in 100 days, then I can't wait to share my revenue success with you. Thank you. We're going to call her. We're going to call her.
We're going to call her.
We're going to call her Saudia.
Saudia?
Yes.
Okay, Saudia. So Saudia is going to be styled later.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, and available for sale ASAP.
Okay.